We have covered how to log transactions manually, but if you want to unlock the true power of QuickBooks Online, you need to connect your bank account directly to the software. By linking your bank, QuickBooks will automatically pull in every single transaction as it happens. This completely eliminates manual data entry and makes your end-of-month reconciliations a breeze. Let me show you how to set it up. From your main dashboard, look over at your left-hand menu. Click on All Apps to open up your full system menu. Scroll down to the Accounting section, and then click on Bank Transactions. This area is going to become the absolute command center for your daily bookkeeping. If you haven't connected a bank yet, this screen will look pretty empty. To get started, look for the big button that says Connect Account or Link Account, and click it. Now, because I'm using a secure QuickBooks test drive account for this tutorial, I can't actually complete a live, real-world bank connection on screen for you today. However, the process from here is incredibly simple, so let me walk you exactly through what you will see next. When you click that button, a search window will pop up. Just type the name of your bank or credit card provider right into the search bar, whether it's Chase, Bank of America, or a local credit union. Once you select your bank, QuickBooks will prompt you to log in using your normal online banking username and password. This connection is highly encrypted and completely secure. Once you log in, a screen will appear listing all the accounts you hold at that bank. Simply check the boxes next to the specific checking accounts or credit cards you actually use for your business. QuickBooks will also ask how far back you want to pull data, like the last 30 days or the beginning of the year. Pick your date range, but be careful not to pull in old transactions that you have already recorded manually. The final step is mapping. You will see a drop-down menu next to the bank accounts you just selected. Use that drop-down to tell QuickBooks exactly where to put these transactions in your chart of accounts, like linking your real-world checking account to your QuickBooks Business Checking register. Once everything matches up, hit Connect, and your bank feed will instantly start populating. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.